Modern vehicles integrate physical buttons with digital interfaces, but regulations still require physical controls for critical safety functions. Understanding these essential buttons ensures safe and efficient driving. Safety and emergency controls are the most critical buttons in your vehicle. These must always be easily accessible and clearly marked. The hazard warning lights button features a red triangle symbol. This emergency control activates all turn signals simultaneously to warn other drivers of a breakdown or emergency situation. Stability control and traction control buttons help manage vehicle dynamics. The yellow warning lights indicate when these systems are active or disabled. Only disable these systems in specific circumstances, like getting unstuck from snow. Climate controls manage your vehicle's heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. These buttons directly affect comfort and visibility. The AC button controls the air conditioning compressor, which is separate from fan speed. The recirculation button, shown with a car and curved arrow, switches between interior and exterior air sources. Defrost controls feature windshield symbols with arrows indicating airflow direction. These buttons direct heated air to clear fog and ice from windows for safe visibility. Lighting controls manage your vehicle's visibility systems. These include headlights, fog lights, and interior lighting with standardized symbols. Headlight controls typically offer automatic, low beam, and high beam settings. Fog light buttons use green symbols for front fog lights and amber symbols for rear fog lights, following international standards. Dashboard symbols follow ISO 3833 international standards, ensuring consistent iconography across all vehicle manufacturers. This standardization helps drivers quickly identify controls, regardless of the car brand. Drive mode controls adjust your vehicle's performance characteristics. These buttons modify engine response, transmission behavior, and suspension settings. Eco mode buttons, often marked with a green leaf symbol, optimize the vehicle for maximum fuel efficiency. This mode adjusts throttle response and transmission shifting for better economy. Sport mode buttons activate performance-oriented settings. When illuminated, they provide sharper throttle response, firmer suspension, and more aggressive transmission shifting for dynamic driving. Universal color coding helps drivers quickly understand button functions. Red indicates warnings and emergencies, green shows active systems, yellow signals caution or service needs, and blue provides general information. Before driving any vehicle, take time to locate and understand these essential button controls. This familiarity ensures you can operate critical functions safely without taking your attention away from the road.